Now, we're talking about the world's most problem in the world. Well, it's money, obviously. So, I'm going to talk about how it's affecting people and all that. Okay. Now, money worries lives. For example, if you lose money during divorce, it's just terrible. So, you basically went out to get money from working hard instead of going for the jackpot, which you're technically losing money instead of gaining money. But you'll still win money either way. According to the Times Magazine, despite 21 failed drawings for a jackpot winner, it's possible someone on Wednesday evening may walk away with a $700 million, the second largest jackpot in the world. So, the jackpot seems hard to get, but it's possible. If you pick the right numbers, pick the right day, if you're lucky enough, try to. But I'm really here to talk to you about money because, trying to get a job, all that. Okay. Now, I want to know your problems in the world. If you need anyone to talk to me. If you want me to explain how wrong the world is for you, I'll explain it to you. So, okay. Now, the pros and cons of money. The pros is obviously you want money to get food, living, car insurance, all that. The cons about it is that you'll lose it easily. If you spend a lot, you'll lose money more. Try and conserve your purchases. Like, if it's over $100 or more, no, you could. But if it's anything over 1,000, all of that for just one single thing, don't take it. So, and the other con is you might hurt someone in the process. Like, for example, wife killing her husband to get money because her name is in the will. So, pick the right thing in the world. Try and do a much better choice. I'm going to come up with 3 things to say. Work hard, ask for a raise, and ask monthly. And 3rd thing is, don't go for loans a lot. You can go for 1 or 2 loans. Don't go asking for 5 or 10. Just go for 2 or 3. Even though I said 1 or 2, 3, exceptional. But for the second one, you can try and get a loan of between $10,000 and $20,000. It'll help you on your expenses, conserve, keep spending up money, your car insurance, focus on what you need instead of dumb purchases. So, all you gotta do is make good purchases and all. Okay. Now, people will do anything to get money in their pocket, like stealing money, killing for money, other jobs, corner. People when they stay in that job, working in the corner. Yeah. Even though I didn't mean to say that, just wanted to say the corner. And other people thinking. Okay? So, out of the way, try to conserve your money. Make monthly purchases of over $10 to $20 per day. Under $20. Okay? So, just focus on good purchases. Like food, housing, clothes, all that. So, try and find stuff that you might want. If it's anything over $100, conserve it. Make sure it's a good price first. And if you bring a toy that's over 100, make sure it works before you buy it. Because some companies will make their products failures. No, you need a product that works to get that money. So, like, try and make sure that your product works before you buy it. And only way for that to work is if you're going to a yard sale. Yard sales, some products might not work, so make sure it works before you pay. So, all you gotta do is to go to yard sale, cheaper prices, possibly cheaper prices. 2, it'll give you a much better chance to see what new stuff or old stuff at estate sales, vintage stuff. Like sometimes I want to see if there's anything vintage, like vintage baseball cards, vintage guns, vintage anything. But I currently own a 32 Winchester, which is old, like old times. But yeah, so if you have any problems, come to me, and I'll be posting a couple more times per day. Well, I have school and trying to focus more on it. So, talk to you guys later.